What's up, people? So I got an entry opportunity on USDCHF, so I've set the sell limits. Yeah, but it looks like I'm about to miss the trade. You can see price is literally about to hit my target. Yeah, so you can see I've set the sell limits right there. And yeah, anyway, we'll see how things will go. Still down by 2.5%. Yeah, as we can see. Yeah, so we'll see how this trade will go. So it's an Asia session range trade. As you can see, while we're going down, and so I was anticipating price to take out the Asia high and then target the Asia low. So we'll see how this trade will go if we do get triggered. Yeah. Okay, so I've gotten another entry opportunity on CHFJPY. You can see we're in our supply zone, and yeah, so let me just quickly set the trade. 6 pips stop loss, and then we calculate the lot size. So let's see, 1.001. okay, so we can set our sell limit. And let's set our stop loss. Okay, let's see, 141,757, 141,761. okay, 141, I'll go with 141,761. And yeah, we'll see how these trades will go. So you can see we can potentially get about 3.4 RR from this trade. And USDCHF still not triggered. Yeah, anyway, we'll see how things will go. Okay, so as we can see, CHFJPY has hit our target before triggering us in, so my entry is now invalid. So I'm just going to delete the sell limits. Yeah, so USDCHF not yet triggered. So I don't know, my internet, for some reason it's very hard for my internet to pick up on my MT4 and my MT5, especially MT5. Oh my god, MT5 trips. So okay, yeah, anyway, USDCHF, let's see how far we are. Yeah, we'll most likely get triggered into this one. Let's just hope it goes in the right direction. Yeah, see how things will go. Okay, so apparently I haven't been triggered with USDCHF, and my trading session is already done. I'm supposed to be done by 10 hours or 10 a.m. yeah, and yeah, that's according to my plan. So I have to delete this entry, and I'll even most likely not even be triggered. It will most likely hit TP here before triggering me. So either way, so I'm just going to delete my entries, my sell limits. Okay, yeah, so let me just delete my sell limits. Man, my internet can make you blow your account. That's why I always have to set my stop loss, because it can be really crazy. I don't set my stop loss, then maybe price is about it, like, cause it's going against me and there's no stop loss. Then my internet is tripping like this. It'd be really crazy. Yeah. So now the only levels I'm looking at are higher time frame levels now. So I'm only looking at higher time frame levels. So my first higher time frame level is that supply zone there. Okay, so in USDCHF we have a supply zone, 4H supply zone. You can see our 4H supply zone right here. Yeah. So you can see price broke structure here. For my weekly analysis, I was expecting price to reach this level and drop from there. But apparently price has broken our 4H structure before reaching this level. So we work with what we have. And so I'll just take continuation trades and not reversals. So take 4H continuation trades. So when price retraces up here, look for 15-minute confirmation, then 1-minute confirmation, sell and target this low. Yeah, the only levels we'll be anticipating for 4H reversals is here and here. Yeah. Then Euro USD, same thing. We've taken out the high, the 4H high. So I'm anticipating price to retrace back to our demand zone and continue the buys up until most likely this daily supply zone, or this one, or the one on top there. Yeah. So that's for USD. Euro USD. CHFJPY, same thing. Yeah, so for CHFJPY we are still buying on the 4H. You can see we're still going up, and we're about to enter our supply zone where I'll anticipate 4H reversals. As you can see, we also missed an entry on this one. Just delete all of this. So anticipate price to return to this demand zone where I can target this high into our supply zone. Then I can anticipate a reversal, or if it enters here, get 15-minute confirmation plus 1-minute confirmation, then can target the high. Otherwise, that's what's going on. So I'll update you on how things will go. Okay, so it's 16 and it seems like our price, the USD has become kind of weak. Yeah, and I doubt if price will approach any of my points of interest before 23. So doesn't really. I'll just end the day and see what tomorrow has in store for us. So Euro USD, waiting for price to retrace to our 4H points of interest. And yeah, that's Euro USD. CHFJPY, same thing. Price began to approach our point of interest, but then flew and created some liquidity for us here. So looking forward to price taking out the liquidity, then going in our direction, or we can go there, give us confirmation so that we can take out these lows. Then for USDCHF, same thing, waiting for price to approach this level, then we can take out this low. Yeah, otherwise if you made it this far, I really appreciate it a lot. I'd also appreciate subscribe and like. Otherwise thanks for watching. Peace.